Amazing news for all Cardano holders! Huge Cardano whales are likely to drive the coin's price. Cardano is going to hit a much higher high than the expected return post the market trades to normalcy. Where do you think its prices would go? Will Cardano trade above its previous highs? And lastly, whether Cardano is a good investment or not. Hi Cardano lovers, welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for us to provide you with more Cardano news. And let us know in the comments how much you think Cardano will cost next year, month or week. But before moving on to today's video, there are certain things that you should keep in mind. Firstly, the crypto market is highly volatile and is frequently changing. Therefore, by the time you get to watch this video, the prices of the coin might have switched to a whole different range. Secondly, the contents of this video do not appear in any manner to be taken as financial or investment advice. This video is created solely for the purpose of being informational and educational. You are requested to conduct your own research or consult with an expert in this regard to make better investment decisions. With that being said, let's see what the future has to unfold for Cardano and its holders. Cardano ADA is a third-generation coin, which claims to be a modified version of Ethereum, which is the standing second-largest coin in the world, both in terms of its fundamental value and market capitalization. Ethereum is also the first currency to have incorporated the concept of smart contracts on its system. Charles Hoskinson, the CEO of IOHK, the founding company for Cardano, has been making several amendments towards technology. Recently, Charles has introduced new updates that tackle the coin's interoperability, scalability, which are issues that normally every altcoin faces. Cardano ADA aims to become the most technologically advanced coin and deal with every technical issue. However, the price of Cardano, given its technical capability, does not see any variations because the coin's marketing tactics take a back step. According to us, Cardano ADA is a futuristic coin and has marked its position among the top cryptocurrencies in the future, mainly because of the coin's blockchain network. Very recently, Charles Hoskinson tweeted on his forthcoming paper on algorithmic stablecoins and also announced Cardano's unfinished partnership with Bitshare. Cardano has potentially opened the door for large institutional investors after the exclusive news of Bitcoin's being unhealthy for the environment moved the market towards a fear of inflation, further aggravated by the already growing inflation fear in the mainstream financial market. Cardano is the most efficient energy usage coin among thousands of other altcoins. Cardano appears to have entered into the bullish market. However, there is still no certainty that the coin would stop trading sideways because the market has not yet returned to normalcy. The primary reason for the dip in the market has resulted in the growing interest of institutional investors over Cardano's blockchain. Bitcoin plunged 17% in just 2 hours after Elon Musk decided to suspend the leader of cryptocurrencies as a payment option for Tesla due to environmental concerns. Bitcoin uses 707 kilowatt-hours of energy from fossil fuels, especially coin for one transaction and mining. This consumption is highly intoxicating for the environment. For the same, Tesla announced that it would be looking for other altcoins, which would consume less than 1% of Bitcoin's energy usage. This is the part that Cardano comes in. Cardano ADA is the third most energy-efficient coin in the entire flock of over 9,000 altcoins. Charles Hoskinson and Elon Musk also have a prior relationship, which has led to a potential partnership formation in the coming future. On 15th June 2021, we saw another institutional investment by Grayscale, which added $2 billion worth of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, Ethereum, Cardano ADA, Link, and XRP over the weekend. To understand the worth of Charles tweeting on algorithmic stablecoins, therefore you need to understand a stablecoin, or BitUSD, which Bitshare founded. BitUSD was the first stablecoin ever created, mainly to back stablecoins issued on the Bitshare blockchain platform. This is a very interesting concept when it comes to Cardano's ecosystem. Cardano is going to launch an entire DeFi system. Looking in terms of monetary value, the DeFi system is just an insignificant protocol, but with its growth, this system has taken over the internet with exponential room to grow. The other Cardano Hydra update that works on the system's scalability is going to take effect by the end of the year. With the update, the network will be able to process a higher number of transactions at one time. The protocol that works for the Visa network is similar to that of the Hydra update. On the Visa network, there can be over 1,000 transactions at one time. However, when it comes to cryptocurrencies, the number of transactions at one time is significantly low. Therefore, with this update, blockchain technology would help Cardano to take in more than double the total transactions of the Visa network at one time. Very recently, the platform was updated to take in the idea of a smart contract system. Therefore, at this development rate, Cardano has successfully caught numerous eyes and interests of big institutional investors. After all its technical development, Cardano was successful enough in sealing a deal with the governments of Ethiopia and Tanzania in terms of their technological developments. According to the IOHK's Director of African Operations, John O'Connor, Cardano ADA would become the middle tying agent between the private company and the local government regarding the IOHK technology bridging the partnership. On the 9th of June, John O'Connor tweeted about bringing on board an additional 1 million users to the Cardano ecosystem. He said, "Today I wrote a letter to a president, found 1 million users on Cardano and had a damn good cup of coffee. It's only midday, looking forward to the afternoon. Love being a part of the Input-Output HK gang." In an interview, John rolled out the upcoming Alonzo smart contract deal, which would become an excellent usage feature. He gave out a hint that the deal would concern microloans and collateralized loans. Cardano has set an example of becoming the technologically advanced crypto, which has also been playing an essential part in terms of crypto adoption and the use of blockchain technology concerning its real-life usages. Cardano ADA, with its revolutionary African partnership agreement, induces a long-term developmental work, which, if it becomes successful, would take charge as the most highly valued blockchain utility plan in the world. Charles Hoskinson also plans to partner Cardano with Dogecoin in the coming future, if Elon Musk continues to make amends on the meme coin's transaction system. Talking about Cardano's positive catalyst, Tesla should be given the first position, because after Tesla's announcement of searching for energy-efficient altcoins, Cardano is a must to have a look at. Therefore, many investors and crypto analysts believe Musk accepts Cardano ADA as a payment method replacing Bitcoin. In that case, investment in Cardano would see a considerable spike, considering it's already become a topic for discussion on the table. Looking at ADA's technical charts, it's trading at $1.35 with a green of 6.23% change in the last 24 hours. With a market cap of over $43 billion, ADA has become the 5th largest cryptocurrency in the entire digital market in terms of a market cap, according to CoinMarketCap. Last week, ADA saw a massive crash in its price trajectory, pushing the coin down to 99 cents. As a repercussion of this drop, the price appears to be making amends. The coin still trades 45% lower than its highest level this year, indicating that Cardano hasn't been immune to the ongoing sell-off in the crypto market. With Elon Musk adding to the drop, to which China has aggravated the bump due to its announcement of crypto regulations and restriction, it appears like the survival of cryptocurrencies is at stake. However, on the flip side, analysts are firm on the fact that digital currencies are deflationary, therefore won't become a target of extinction. According to the recent daily charts, the momentum on the coin has increased significantly. The coin has moved below the 100 days and 50 days moving averages. On top of this, the coin appears to be forming a bullish head and shoulders pattern, with its neckline around $1, where lies the bearish market. However, we expect the coin to move above this neckline and trade somewhere around $1.4. If the coin maintains the current buying, pressing the next target on the coin is expected to be at $1.44. According to Cardano's previous trading history, the coin will be trading sideways for a while until we see the market rebound. Analysts say that Cardano could potentially even reach higher than $7 this year due to several other catalysts, Tesla being one of them. As per the technical analysis, we expect the coin to retest its previous all-time high at $2.3 in the next month. However, that still remains uncertain, as the market plays a vital role in the price surge. Cardano is undoubtedly an excellent investment, and investors are suggested to hold this token for a longer duration to maximize gains. Well, with all that said, we are finishing the video here. Let us know of your visions down in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time at Cardano Land.